Purezidenti Museveni ebyabugambera izoba obyaba ari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okumuruka n'okusiima omushomesa w'omutaano. Omukoro nigwo gumwe honi ihanga lyabanirizaguza ekiro ky'abashomesa ekyajagurizibwa aha muramwa kugira ngu valuing teachers' voices towards a new social contract for education.
World Teachers Day mukurukeyo.
Aha mukoro nigwo gumwe ebibiina by'abashomesa byaheebwa cheki ya shiringi billion 20.
I congratulate the 12 teachers who excelled and got prizes. In our Uganda language we say adinga na mawolu agajamo mukuto, that if you keep eating cold food, you will be satisfied eventually. Therefore, I will use this occasion to repeat the message of the NRM on the issue of education. I always try to tell you that whatever one plans, you must plan it for the context in which it is. You other Ugandans, the Banyankore say, Okumtoguri eshujunkuitegwa, which means that the hairstyle depends on the hairstyle depends on the shape of the head.
Museveni yasiimye ihanga lya Ireland ahabwa emyaka mingi eyirimaze kuhagira government ya Uganda na mnongo mu program zo kutungura eby'obwegyese.
And as Mama was saying, the Irish teachers are always doing a great job. Sister Kefas is the one who educated our girls at Namagunga. Then you have got Dr. Dagan. Dr. Dagan was very active in Zambia. We really appreciate convey our thanks to the Irish people.
Minister w'ebyobwegyese Janet Kataha Museveni yaikaha mukoro ogu hamwe n'abandi bebembezi.
We'll use always to decide whether they should value this teacher's voice or not. One wonders why in times past the teacher who used to earn less compared with today's value of money was even less qualified in terms of academic qualifications, yet was held in high regard by society at the time.
Omushomesa w'omutaano ninga Teachers Making a Difference Initiative ne project yatandikirwaho Vision Group omwaka gw'2008 nk'omuringo gw'okuha abashomesa omuhimbo ogw'okuhangahangaho ningashi innovation z'okumaraho ebizibu ebirikuteganisa eby'obwegyese.
The nominees must be Ugandan professional teachers or tutors in a school in Uganda teaching either at primary, secondary or a non-degree awarding technical vocational institute. They must also have demonstrated commitment and innovation to all or at least 3 of the following: innovating using limited resources to deliver quality education, mobilizing their communities to take their children to school, including child mothers who are the most vulnerable, promotion of life skills education, and also promotion of co-curricular activities.
Abashomesa basingire bahebwe berabo kandi n'amashomero ahi bakuruga bino mugisha muhango okutwara mu ihanga lya Ireland kutendekwa program nyingi.
The overall winner of Teachers Making a Difference 2024 is Mr. Moses Echweru. Mr. Moses Echweru is the head teacher of Nawet Primary School in Nabilatuk from Karamoja district.
Project eji nehajirwa Irish Embassy na Travel Care gasha kwa Abdikarim Sengendo.